Hi guys, Jason here again. Alright, so today we are covering the Peplink Balance 20 as you have seen from the live video on YouTube and also similarly on our Facebook channel. Okay, so we are reaching out again on the Balance 20X. Okay, so over here, this is the actual unit on the front. Okay, on the front as usual, there are two antennas for the Wi-Fi. Okay, and at the back there are the two antennas. Two antennas for the Wi-Fi, two antennas for the cellular. So over back on the back here we have the expansion bay. Right. So the idea of this video is to show you guys how is this being changed out, right? Other than the original modem that you have on the Balance 20. Okay, so let's move on, and I'm going to just use a normal screw. Okay, it's a cross screw. Okay, and basically we're just going to move out and screw out the screws. Okay, we put it aside like so. Okay, once it's out, we just have to remove the flap. Okay, so once the flap is out, alright, so over here you can see the expansion slot inside here. Okay, let me show it to you. Let me try and get you guys a good angle. Okay, and all you have to do is just make sure that the PCI is at the bottom, and all you have to do is just slide it in, and there's a catch. Okay, just make sure that it slots in and it clicks. Alright, once that's done, all you have to do is just take the 4 screws again and screw them back in, and that's it, and you're done. Okay, now do note that while I'm doing the screws, let me explain some stuff. Alright, so the expansion bay itself doesn't come with any antennas. Alright, it doesn't come with any cellular antennas. Those are extra. When you're buying the accessory for the expansion bay, remember that you need to add on the cellular antennas. Okay, so that's extra. Okay, so just take note of that and remember. Okay, so all you have to do is do like what I'm doing now. Make sure that the screws are tightened. Let me switch it over here. Put it back here. Okay, so once that's done, alright, so you'll see here, you will see you have a new add-on additional cellular modem, and also you have the additional slots where you can put in 2 full-size SIM cards for you. Alright, so then there it becomes slightly heavier. Okay, so if you have a purchase of additional antennas, alright, then you can add it in to the 2 additional SMA connectors here. Alright, so that concludes the demonstration on how to add on a expansion bay. Alright, so if you have any questions, don't forget to leave a comment for us, alright, be it on Facebook or on our YouTube channel. And at the same time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We do have much more products coming in from all the other vendors that we are supporting right now. Okay, do keep a lookout for us. Okay, thank you.